Have you seen my wife? Part 2. Uyaxelelwa ke uba ke hayi umzalwane othile njengoba wasweleka lo nkosikazi ufuna ukutshata kwakhona uzawutshata nobani bani. Athi yena kanjani akayo type yakhe kaloku lo nkosikazi afuna ukumthatha. Ambhalele letter athi she's not your type. I learned that you thought of marriage. This aroused me to hasten out the things which I had seen. Your organization is not of that refined order that you can make a woman of her fine, sensitive nature happy. It is not in God's order that such temperaments as hers and yours should unite in marriage. You are an animal. You possess a large proportion of the animal. You have strong animal passions which have not been controlled as they should have been. The more noble, elevated powers of the mind have been servant to the lower or baser passions. You have failed to be sanctified through the truth which you profess, have failed to be a partaker of the divine nature, having escaped the corruption that is in the world through lust. She's a delicate flower. This lady is not a person who can endure the roughs of life. She is a frail flower and would soon droop and die if exposed to storm and neglect. It was too much for your ex-wife. You have not in your previous marriage understood the wants of a woman. You have not appreciated her delicate organism. Her delicate organism. You failed, greatly failed, with your first wife. She possessed a powerful constitution which can scarcely be equaled for power of endurance. But she presumed too much. Umorile umkakho. Ebe stronger kunalo. The chase. Your anxiety to acquire led you both to overtax yourselves and be swallowed up in the cares of this life, and to neglect present happiness and comfort, looking ahead to a time when you should have more of these worldly goods, and then you could afford to look after the comforts of life. Leyo siyifumana pa ku-TSB 24. Ungayifunda ke apho kulo ncwadi ka-HW. Mismatched marriages. Satan is busily engaged in influencing those who are wholly unsuited to each other to unite in interests in marriage. He exults in this work, for by it he can produce more misery and hopeless woe to the human family than by exercising his skill in any other direction. MYP 455. Ayuhleli apha emtshatweni uba ke uzawudibanisa abe kingdom of light nabo kingdom of darkness batshate. Ayikusho ke uba kingdom of light will not make it to the kingdom of light. Kuba ufake i-agent yakhe ezawuyichitha yonke le nto. Yiqaphele into yoba uzawutshata bani. Noko ezi kingdom ezi mazingakollayidi emtshatweni. Khawuthathe omnye othi destination inye. Ubayeka abe darkness bathathane bodwa, abe light bathathane bodwa. Uyibuze ngedolo kuqala uba ke yiyo ni candidate lena. Abantu bane-type ke. Ane-type ke. Azi-typist. Ane-type abantu awunoyithini naleyo ikhona. Kuthiwa aba abangcwele nabathanda ukutshata nabaziphethe kakuhle athi omnye, bayabhora abo, andikabafuni nanamhlanje, bayabhora abo. Hayi, andibafuni mna abaya. Sifuna aba who will keep us on our toes. Sifuna abo who will keep us on our toes. Ithini destination? Siyaphi? Hlala uzibuza loo nto. Uba ke for le destination endithi ndiya kuyo, sizawuncedisana na kule ndlela? Okanye mna ndikhapha yena kweyakhe. The kingdoms collide xa kudityaniswa ulight no darkness.